Hello all, this is Sagarika. Welcome to SAGU'S Math. Today's topic is differentiation by proper substitution or differentiation by substitution. Okay, to study about this before we have to know some formulas. Okay, formula in the elements of mathematics, page number 35. Our topic is differentiation by substitution. Okay, because page number 35 formula your property number property number 1 second I formula is sin inverse sin x is equal to x, cos inverse cos x is equal to x, tan inverse tan x is equal to x. Here, some restriction. Inverse means that is an angle, that means x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That means from maximum and minimum value. And here x belongs to 0 to pi. And here x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Then cot inverse cot x. It also x and x belongs to 4 to pi. Similarly, sec inverse sec x is equal to x. X belongs to 0 to pi minus. Here, x belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. And cosec inverse cosec x is equal to x. X belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 minus. Because at least at pi by 2, sec of pi by 2. Okay, sec of pi by 2 is equal to infinitive, which doesn't determine. That's why it's subtracted. Okay, that means we must have to know sin inverse sin x is equal to cos inverse cos x. Similarly, where in case sin inverse sin theta it's equal to sin inverse sin x, sin inverse sin 2x is equal to 2x, sin inverse sin 5x, which also equal to 5x. Okay, will we solve? Okay. Your exercise 7. Let's come from an example. Differentiate cos inverse 4x cube minus 3. Listen, we know that the formula cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, listen, in place of x, when we put cos x by proper substitution, that means to substitute a value in some places. Okay, some place re ame kichhi gote value substitute karibu. Okay, that means here x place re ame cos x substitute karuche. Let x equal to cos theta. Okay, cos theta, that means cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which equal to cos inverse. This is formula of cos 3 theta, which equal to cos inverse according to previous formula. Cos inverse cos x is equal to x. Cos inverse cos x is equal to x. That means cos inverse cos 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. Okay. Here x equal to cos theta. That implies theta equal to cos inverse x. That means we'll write 3 cos inverse x. Now, this converted to cos inverse this modified or substitute to 3 cos inverse which equal to now d by dx of 3 cos inverse x which equal to 3 into derivative of cos inverse x equal to minus 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. Now move to question number 7. 7e, question number 1. First question is differentiate the following functions by proper substitution. Okay. Question number 1 is d by dx of sine inverse 2x into 1 minus x. Listen. 1 minus x. Here, write some method. Anywhere 1 minus x square we put x equal to cos theta or sine. Some places 1 plus x square we put x equal to tan. In case 1 minus x by 1 plus x, in these cases put x equal to cos. Some cases 1 by x into x square minus 1. In this place we will put x equal to sec theta or cosec theta. Okay, that is some method. Here 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square to under root. Okay. Now put x equal to sine theta. That's equal to now sine inverse 2x into 1 minus x square which equal to sine inverse 2 into in place of x we will put sine theta into 1 minus sine square theta. It's under root which equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta into 1 minus x square which equal to cos square theta which under root which equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta into under root of cos square theta equal to cos theta. We know that the formula of sine 2a is equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. Is equal to converted to 2 theta. That implies here x equal to sine theta, that implies theta equal to sine inverse x. Which equal to 2 into sine inverse theta. That implies from these two now we will write d by dx of 2 sine inverse which equal to 2 by under root of 1 minus x. Taking 2 as constant and derivative of sine inverse x equal to 1 by this. So it is your answer. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x. Okay. Here put x equal to. We know that formula of tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So similarly, in place of x, we will put tan theta and x that's converted to tan 2 theta. That's why put x equal to tan. That's equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square. Which equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta. Which equal to tan inverse of tan cancel which equal to 2 theta. That's here x equal to tan theta. That's equal to theta equal to tan inverse x. That's equal to it converted to 2 tan inverse x. Now derivative of 2 tan inverse x is equal to taking 2 constant and derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x equal to 1 plus t square divided by 1 minus t square, its square minus 1 and its power 1 by 2, which equal to 1 plus t square. Taking 1 minus t square, which equal to this square of this minus 1 divided and its power, which equal to taking 1 minus t square square as LCM, which equal to 1 plus t square square minus 1 minus t square square and its under root. Okay, means power. We know that the formula a plus b whole square and minus a minus b whole square equal to 4 into a into b. I already told you in previous some video. Okay, by this, which equal to 4 into a in place of a is equal to 1 in place of b is equal to t square divided by 1 minus t square plus square and its power. Taking under root of 4 which equal to 2 under root of t square equal to t divided by here square and its square root, that's equal to 1 minus t square. Cancel. Now finding derivative of this dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2t by 1 minus t square by u by v root. Okay. 1 minus t square into d by dt of 2t minus 2t into d by dt of 1 minus t square divided by 1 minus t square and its whole square, which equal to 1 minus t square into derivative of 2t equal to 2 minus 2t into derivative of 1 minus t square which equal to 0 minus 2t divided by 1 minus t square and its whole square, which equal to 2 minus 2t square minus 2t into 0 minus minus plus 4t square divided by 1 minus t square and its which equal to 2 minus 2t square which equal to 2 plus 2t square divided by 1 minus t square and its whole square. Taking 2 as common, 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square and its whole square. It's your answer. Okay. Given y is equal to tan inverse root x plus root a divided by 1 minus root of x. Listen, there is a formula of inverse trigonometric function tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x. It is a formula. Here, listen, in place of x equal to root x, in place of y is equal to root a. That's equal to, we may write tan inverse root x plus tan inverse root a. Okay, this formula. According to this formula, we will write this. Now dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse root x plus d by dx of tan inverse root x, which equal to derivative of tan inverse x say 1 plus 1 by x square, 1 by 1 plus x square, in place of x there is under root of x into, since it is not equal to x, then again we derivative this which equal to 1 by 2 root x plus tan inverse root a, tan inverse some constant value which is a constant, that's equal to derivative of constant equal to 1 by 1 plus x into 2 into this. Question number 6. Question number 6 is given y is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x. Okay. We already tell you that in case of 1 plus x square, to put x is equal to tan theta. If some cases there is a square plus x square, that means we will put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. But here 1 plus x square. Let put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Okay. Now y is equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, which equal to sine inverse. This is formula of sine 2 theta to 2 tan inverse x. Okay. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 tan inverse x, which equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x, taking to constant to outside, derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus, which equal to 2 by 1 plus x. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7. Given y is equal to sec inverse under root of a square plus x square by, here I told you that in place of a square plus x square 1 plus x square to put x equal to tan theta, and a square plus x square to put x equal to a tan theta. Here a square plus x square, which equal to putting sec inverse put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, that implies tan theta is equal to x by theta is equal to tan inverse x by. Okay, here putting a square plus x square, that means x equal to a tan theta, x square means a square tan square theta, and its under root divided by, which equal to sec inverse, taking a square common, which equal to 1 square 1 plus tan square theta divided by a, here its under, which equal to sec inverse under root of a square is equal to a 1 plus tan square theta. We know that the formula sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 as sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 and sec square. Cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. You may remember after s it form t, s के बाद t आता है, s and t. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. First one is plus, second two are minus, sec, after that write cosec minus. The sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. In place of, from this formula, sec square theta here equal to minus, to taking this to right side is equal to plus 1 plus tan square theta. A square sec square theta, its under root divided by, which equal to sec inverse. Under root of a square equal to a is equal to sec theta divided by a. Here a and a are cancelled, which equal to sec inverse sec theta is equal to what? Theta. Value of theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x by a. Now, here value of theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Now taking dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan inverse x by a. Formula of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, there is x by a. That means square. Since it is not x, then taking derivative of this again, which equal to 1 by 1 plus x square by a square into derivative of, here 1 by a taking constant and the derivative of x. X by a means we write x into 1 by a, that means 1 by a constant, and derivative of x is equal to 1, which equal to 1 by taking a square as LCM, a square plus x square into 1 by a. Now taking it to upside, which equal to a square by a square plus x square into 1 by a. Here 1 a are cancelled, which equal to a by a square plus x square. It's your okay. Question number 7. Question number 8. Sine inverse 2 into t square minus 1 divided by put t is equal to sec theta. Put t is equal to sec theta. That implies sec theta is equal to sec inverse. Here is equal to sine inverse 2 into sec square theta minus 1, its under root, divided by t square means sec square theta. Okay, which equal to sine inverse 2 into, from this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here sec square theta minus 1. Listen, from here sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. 1 to left side to easily transfer theta right side. Because which equal to 2 into sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta divided by sec square. Formula of sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, which equal to sine inverse 2 into on square root of tan square theta, square and its square root cancel, which equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This equal to formula of sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine which equal to 2 theta. That implies 2 sec inverse t. Now dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 sec inverse t. 2 taking constant to outside, and derivative of sec inverse t is equal to t into t square minus. Here put t is equal to tan theta. Because why we will put in place of this? Because to convert the formula of 2 theta. Okay, 1 minus tan square theta, we know that the formula for this is equal to cos theta. So that's why we will put this equal to tan theta is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square, which equal to cos inverse cos 2 is equal to 2 theta. In place of theta, here theta is equal to tan inverse t, which equal to 2 tan inverse t. Now d this equal to y na, dy by dt is equal to d by dt of tan inverse t, 2 tan inverse t. was constant. Derivative of this equal to 1 by 1 plus which equal to 2 by 1. Question number 10. Its last question of exercise 7e. Question number 10 is y is equal to cos inverse 2t square minus 1. Here equal to cos. এটা যেহেতু cos ଅଛି ଆମେ ଏଇଠି cos ଆଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛେ ନା that's why ଏଠି ଆମର cos ରେ ଫର୍ମୁଲା ଆସିବ ମୁଁ cos 2 θ ର ଫର୍ମୁଲା କଣ ଜାଣିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିଛି 2 cos square θ minus 1 ତ ମୁଁ ଏଠି t ପ୍ଲେସ ରେ cos θ ପୁଟ୍ କରିଦେବି ସିମ୍ପଲ क्वेश्चन आसुवा मु केमती सॉल्व कर दउची बाकी तुमे जानि करू that's why t प्लेस रे में cos θ ठीक अछि that implies theta is equal to cos inverse t, which equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1, which equal to formula of cos 2 theta that's equal to this are to cancel equal to 2 theta is equal to 2 cos inverse dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2 cos inverse t taking 2 constant and derivative of cos inverse t which equal to minus 1 by 1 minus t square its under root which equal to minus 2 by 1 minus t. Okay, all are solved. If anyone have doubt then comment me. Thank you.